Imagine waking up to a world where the sky is no longer blue, but a deep, suffocating orange. The air feels heavy, thick with dust, and every breath carries the sting of sand. Streets, buildings, and landmarks disappear into an eerie void. What if, in just minutes, your city was swallowed by the desert? A sudden and mysterious sandstorm engulfed the city, leaving its residents trapped in a swirling storm of dust. But what triggered this apocalyptic scene, and how did it impact those caught in its path? Let's unravel the story.
Oh my God.
On March 26th, Hotan, a city perched on the edge of the vast Taklimakan Desert, haze. The storm arrived abruptly in the late afternoon, catching many off guard. Streets emptied as residents scrambled for shelter, shielding their faces from the relentless barrage of dust and grit. Hotan, home to over 400,000 people, is no stranger to sandstorms, especially in the spring when dry desert winds intensify. But locals say this one was different, more intense, more overwhelming. Videos circulating online depict a city struggling against nature's force, cars inching forward with headlights barely piercing the thick dust, pedestrians wrapping scarves tightly around their faces, and businesses closing as the storm tightened its grip.
失败才是主旋律，但是无论如何，你的少年心气不能丢，丢了就再也。
和田突发沙尘暴，特大沙尘暴，整个天空、路面。
Authorities acted swiftly, issuing urgent warnings advising residents to stay indoors. Emergency measures were implemented, with police regulating what little movement remained on the roads. The timing, just before the evening rush, likely prevented even greater disruption. But the storm still left its mark. Schools and offices shut early. Flights at Hotan Airport were grounded, and public transport ground to a near halt as visibility plummeted to dangerous levels. This latest storm is part of a broader pattern of extreme weather events in Xinjiang. Just last month, a similar sandstorm in Hami City turned the skies an unnatural yellow, a stark reminder of the region's vulnerability to shifting desert sands. Experts point to a combination of natural and human factors. Seasonal winds and arid landscapes play their role, but deforestation, overgrazing, and land degradation are making these storms more frequent and severe.
Nime? Uya, bizimle tozu vardı o. Hatta Osman öngene oturdu. Bilmeyin yakamdı nime?